This was me a year ago, before IQ.
Knock it off!
Now with IQ, I can order new glasses whenever I want. IQ is a smartphone-based solution that lets you test your vision at home. Simply connect the Vision Check 2 to your phone, and the easy-to-use iOS or Android app will then guide you through a series of game-like exercises. After completing a few sets of tests, you'll receive your eyeglass numbers to order new glasses online. So, who do you want to be? Life's complicated. Getting new glasses shouldn't be. IQ Vision Check 2, so you can focus on what matters.